Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you connect Android phone to TV via USB cable. So basically, to connect an Android phone to TV using a USB cable, you'll typically need a USB-C to HDMI adapter, or for older phones an MHL or slim port adapter. So first of all, you need to identify the type of USB port on your phone and the available port on your TV. Then you would connect the appropriate adapter to your phone and plug the other end into your TV finally. After you've actually done it, so you could switch the TV's input source to the corresponding HDMI port. And that is basically how you'll be able to connect Android phone to TV by USB cable. So just follow the on-screen prompt after which, and that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.